Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Booth Expert. Today's video is going to be about the R100, and doesn't matter what booth it's in, whether it's the Elite 2.0 or the DSLR Classic booth, it's all the same thing. You can see it's exactly in this one too. So just going to show you the internals. So I'm going to show you on this booth, and then I'm also going to show you on the other booth. Alright, so the components is, on this particular unit, you're going to use an AC adapter just like this. So you're going to see that, and it's going to be powered here, right? So that's power, then this is here, and then at the bottom of your camera is going to be a little screw. Everyone has a different screw. This is going to be your open. You're going to press this. And this little guy is what's going to have the power, constant power, okay? So we got to make sure that this is pushed all the way in and snapped in. And number two, make sure your SD card is properly placed. Push this aside, make this little tab move out, and then we're going to close it. So as you could see, we're going to hit on. And you have to make sure to put this on shooting mode. Otherwise, it's not going to be ready for you guys to shoot. So once that's done, I'm going to put this back in and we're ready to go. And we're ready to start shooting. And once you open up Lumabooth, it will register there. Some of the settings that you want to make sure that it has is menu. Wait a second. Well, one, we're going to make sure that this Wi-Fi is off. Then we're going to go to function settings. So we're going to format the card, number one. That'll erase everything that's in there. And then we're also going to power saving, auto power off. We want to make sure to disable that. Other than that, you guys are good to go, and that's how you successfully connect. And then your USB here.